Hello and welcome back everyone. Today I'll be showing you how I made my Batwing cape, that way you can make your own at home. This idea actually came to me in the form of a sketch that I drew at the start of the month out of a whole bunch of different designs that I wanted to make, so I quickly got to work and started drafting the pattern. Using my dress form, I used it as a base to kind of get the scale of the wing right and kind of know where everything's gonna lay. I then figured out that I kind of wanted it to add some grommets so it could look like laced up and put it together that way instead of having it sewn together, which I thought it would look a lot cooler. And I added this hood. For my fabric choice, I went ahead and got a red satin to use for the lining and a black organza to lay over the top as the outer shell. Now once you cut out all your pieces, it's time to get started with the sewing. To get started, I went ahead and got both hoods and separately put them together with the right sides facing together and stitched from the base of the top of the hood and then starting at the bottom to the little corner at the back. And I repeated the same to the black hood. Now with the right sides facing each other, go ahead and put one hood into the other and then proceed to stitch at the front. Once I flip it over, I like to pull some of the lining about 1/4 of an inch or 1/2 centimeter to the front and top stitch it, that way some of the red shows, and I'll be doing that to every single piece. A quick little reminder to pay attention and not watch a million things while sewing or this will happen to you.
They ask you how you are, you just have to say that you're fine when you're not really fine, but you just can't get it.
Alright, all jokes aside, let's jump right back into the sewing. To finish sealing the hood, all you really need to do is fold in the excess seam allowance and top stitch it. And I do recommend you pin if you want that red to show on yours. Pin it, it'll make it a lot easier for you. Time to sew those darts on all the bat wings, and once you get that done, it's time to attach them together. By doing that, all you need to do is match them up with the right sides facing each other, stitch all the way down, flip them over, and once you do, we're going to do that lining trick, stick some of it about 1/4 inch out and then top stitch it, leaving some of that red to show, and you're all set. Now it's time to add those grommets so we can be able to lace everything up and have it hold its form together as one piece. And I will be using pieces of ribbon to kind of hold the grommets and the different pieces together at separate parts. And it could be interchangeable, you could move it down or move it up a bit, that way the hood fits better. But it's totally up to you, and this is how it looks once it's all done. So one quick try on just to see how everything fits and make sure it's right before we proceed to show you the final result. Also, don't forget to press it. I'm using my dress form, which I know not many people have, but if you find a way to press it over like a sock or something that's round, it'll help it give it that rounded shoulder, and it'll be very well, it'll help it rest nicely. And we're ready for the final look. Thank you guys so much for watching. That sums up today's video, and I'll see you guys next time.